Hey gamers! Today we're diving into the best mechanical keyboards of 2024. Designed to give you a competitive edge, these top picks offer precise key switches, customizable features, and durable builds to enhance your gaming experience. So let's begin. Best all around, Keychron Q5 Max. The Keychron Q5 Max is an outstanding addition to the mechanical keyboard market, combining modern connection, high build quality, and customizable options. With its 2.4 GHz wireless connection, Bluetooth 5.1 functionality, and USB Type-C wired alternative, this keyboard is ideal for a variety of settings. The compact 96% layout improves workplace economy without losing functionality, while the 1000 Hz polling rate in both 2.4 GHz and wired modes offers quick and lag-free typing. One of the Q5 Max's noteworthy features is its compatibility with QMK firmware and the Keychron web software, which enables users to easily remap keys and create custom macros. This makes it compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including macOS, Windows, and Linux, meeting a variety of user demands. The keyboard's full metal body, made of 60-63 aluminum and put through lengthy production processes, not only ensures endurance, but also adds a premium feel. The improved thock feel, achieved through a mix of acoustic foams, a double gasket design, and screw-in stabilizers, makes each keystroke pleasurable and fun. The PBT keycaps, which include Keychron's distinctive spherical angle, KSA profile, and are composed of sturdy, oil-resistant plastic, also improve the typing experience. Top pick, Asus ROG Strix Scope 96. The fact that it is wireless is more than just a bonus, but with so much fantastic design and feel on offer, it's tough to know where to begin. The typing feel is exceptional due to factory-lubed switches that deliver an excellent typing and gaming experience right out of the box. Lubing keys is usually reserved for folks who are very particular about their keyboard feel, but Asus has found the procedure worthwhile for the ROG NX switches utilized, and the results are really amazing. In addition, the Scope 296 is quiet by mechanical keyboard standards owing to some sound-dampening foam, a choice of PBT or ABS plastic keycaps, and some robust stabilizers for the larger keys. Mechanical keyboards may be noisy, but the Scope 296 is much quieter than its competitors. The switches themselves are also hot swappable for those who enjoy experimenting with different feels. But we found the feel of the ROG NX Snow switches in our review model to be so superb that you're unlikely to want to do so. Aside from the typing experience, the tiny frame is well built and thoughtfully designed, featuring a complete numpad and customizable multimedia wheel. Affordable alternative, G.Skill KM250. The G.Skill KM250 RGB mechanical keyboard impresses with its tiny 65% layout, which has 67 keys that strike the perfect combination between usefulness and simplicity, making it ideal for customers looking to minimize desk space without compromising vital keys. The transparent sides of the robust PBT dual injection molded keycaps add to the keyboard's visual appeal, enabling the RGB lights to show through spectacularly, while also giving a superior typing experience with greater durability and wear resistance. Another big advantage is that the key switches are hot swappable, allowing users to instantly alter their typing experience without having to solder them. This keyboard also has a detachable, braided USB Type-C connection for convenience and portability, making it simple to pack and use while on the road. On top of that, the volume control knob provides rapid and precise audio changes, which improves the user experience. The two-stage standoff feet change typing angles for comfort during longer use. Professional choice, Logitech G Pro X. The Logitech G Pro X 60 Lightspeed wireless gaming keyboard is another game changer for hardcore gamers and esports athletes, featuring a compact TKL 60% design that saves desk space while maintaining performance. This ultra-compact mechanical keyboard is designed for maximum performance, so every keystroke counts towards victory. The Pro X60 comes with professional-grade technology, such as gaming mode management, conventional keyboard layouts with 3P compatibility, media controls, a volume roller, and programmable light-sync RGB backlit keys, all handled through the G-Hub. The GX optical linear switches offer quicker actuation and minimal debounce delay, adapting to a variety of playstyles with tactile or linear switches. Customization is a noteworthy feature, with key control technology allowing for professional-level customization of each key and up to 5 separate layers, making this keyboard the ideal gaming control center. The Lightspeed wireless technology provides tournament-proven dependability and speed, with a super-fast one-misses reaction rate when connected via the Lightspeed adapter, as well as the flexibility of Bluetooth and optional USB for varied use. Versatile option: SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. This gaming keyboard is an excellent alternative for esports aficionados, offering endless customization and unfettered speed thanks to its OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. These switches include quick trigger capabilities, which eliminate delay by dynamically activating and deactivating keys based on travel distance rather than a set position. This keyboard provides complete control with 40 levels of per-key actuation, ranging from 0.1 to 4.0 meters, enabling you to configure keys such as WASD for light, ultra-fast motions, while setting ability keys to deep presses to eliminate inadvertent triggers. The revolutionary 2-in-1 action keys allow you to assign 2 alternative actions to a single key, such as strolling with a gentle touch or running with a deep push. The Apex Pro TKL is built for exceptional performance, with 20 times faster actuation and 11 times faster reaction time than typical mechanical keyboards. And its lag-free Quantum 2.0 dual wireless technology, which includes both a 2.4 GHz connection and Bluetooth 5.0, assures smooth communication. Premium full-size Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. This Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro wired mechanical gaming keyboard stands out with its yellow mechanical switches, which provide quick, linear, and quiet inputs thanks to built-in sound dampeners, making it excellent for fast-paced gaming. When coupled with the magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest, the immersive underglow and per-key illumination create a beautiful 3-sided underglow that improves the aesthetics and overall immersion of your gaming setup. The command dial and 8 dedicated macro keys enable configurable operations and keybinds, enabling better control and convenience during lengthy gaming sessions. And its wrist rest is intended to provide long hours of comfortable gaming with plush padding and Razer Chroma RGB lighting for extra flair. The keyboard's double-shot ABS keycaps are also durable, with extra-thick walls to endure lengthy and repeated usage, and a double-shot molding technique that assures the labeling never fades out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech advice. And as usual, feel free to post any questions or recommendations in the comments section. Until the next time, happy tech shopping!